Hello, today we're going to do a wonderful citrusy garlic pork butt. Now my butt is a bit on the large side, but you can use a 4 pounder, a 5 pounder. If you want to go larger, just increase the marinade. Here's some of the ingredients used for the marinade. For the full recipe, check out the description box. By all means, you could increase your citrus juices. I actually had to double the recipe. To my citrus juices, I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Also, some herbs here. I have dried oregano, red pepper flakes, some cumin, black pepper, and salt. I'm going to mix that up. Now you can use regular paprika if you don't have smoked paprika. Also, I'm adding a little olive oil to this marinade. And of course, some Worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right, y'all? Here I have my pork butt. Of course, I have brined it just for a few hours. I have that recipe for you below as well. Added lots of garlic, 12 garlic cloves with some fresh parsley. And I'm going to stir this up really well and pour that right over my pork butt. This was a big mamma jamma, so I actually had to go back and add more marinade before I actually put it in the refrigerator. You want to remember to flip this over halfway through your marinade time. Now don't be alarmed at the color of this roast. It's because of the marinade. Now you need to prep your pan. You do not have to add aluminum foil. I'm doing that only because I'm using a very old pan. And here you'll see me just scraping off some of that parsley. And I'm also scraping off the garlic as well. This was a big one, so you'll see me struggling with this meat here. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. I am not adding any water at all. I'm also putting a fat cap, that big piece of fat that's on top. I'm keeping that up. So have that, make sure that's upright. You're going to cook for 4 to 5 hours at 300 degrees, and then you're going to uncover and cook for 30 minutes or more on 400 degrees. Of course, you're going to uncover, take off that aluminum foil cover. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I did want it to get a little bit more crusty on the outside, but I wanted to leave it a little bit pretty for you guys. I actually cut this into 4 and put it in the freezer. I made some wonderful dishes out of it. I also put one piece on the grill and smoked it after the fact. This is a pretty simple dish. All you have to do is stick it in the oven and just go about your business for a few hours. And voila, you have a wonderful, juicy dish. Thanks for watching. Check out some of the other videos that's on the channel. and I hope you get a chance to try them. Enjoy.